Hello, this is a quick video on how to create a Google Sites page on the DDSB network. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you're actually logged into the DDSB Google Apps interface. And you do that by up here in the top right, click on your name and make sure that you see ddsb.ca or ddsbstudent.ca at the top right there. The next thing you want to do is be logged into your Google Drive, and it's not a bad idea to have a folder ready with all the docs, pictures, and so on that you want to add to your website organized. This is not a requirement, but it's not a bad idea. For me, I have a folder called website docs right here. If I go inside that folder, I got a few pictures in here that I want to use, and I've got a course outline. Got a headshot of myself, I've got a picture of Newfoundland, and of course I have a picture of my dog. So, you want to click on New, go down to More, and you'll see Google Sites listed right there. I'm going to click that. And it generates a web page for you right off the bat. This is just a basic template. It's going to be untitled. I'm just going to call this demo. That's what I'm doing. And it'll put a title up right here. The world doesn't see this name right here. The world will see this title right here. So we want to give that something, a name that looks professional. And I want to give it a title. So I'm going to give this a title right here. And so I've got a banner right here. So this gray area right here that you see is a banner. Okay, and this is the title. You can change this banner by when you hover your mouse over it, you see a change image shows up there. So maybe I want to click on change image. I'm going to click select image. And you're going to see a bunch of options there. You can get things off the internet. There's a gallery. I want to use my own picture. So I'm going to click on the Google Drive option. And that website docs folder I pointed out to you a few seconds ago, I want to use a picture from there. And I'm going to use my Newfoundland picture. So here we go. So now I want to put some content on my web page. Over here in the insert area, that's where you're going to get your content. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of options here. We're not going to go over most of these today. I'm just going to go over text box and images, and then I'm going to use the Google Drive option to put a course outline in. Okay. So right off the bat, I'm going to stick a text box there, and it gives me some pretty basic options here. I'm going to click on title. I'm going to say, welcome to my demo page. Again. And I'll hit enter, and I'll jump down to normal text. This is a simple Google Sites demo. So you'll see that when I click text box, it gave me a box right here. I can put my content right there. Now if I want to put a picture in, when I click on images, you're going to see that it's going to give me an image area right here. But first, it's going to ask me for the image or the location of it, just like when we changed our banner a few seconds ago. Again, I'm going to use that Google Drive option. I'm going to go to my website docs, and I'm going to put a picture of my dog right there. Now I want to put more text right here. What I want to do again is just click on text box. That's the workflow. Okay. This is a picture of my dog. He is cuter than I am. Alright. So if I want to put another picture right here, I just click on images again. I can go back and forth all I want. Okay. So this is a real simple page. This is it. This is enough to publish to the internet if I wanted to. I could type up some other things here about some interests I have, types of courses I teach, maybe where my office is, or if I was a student, I can actually create a portfolio here with some work that I've done. A lot of websites have more than one page. Right now, I have one page, and this is my home page. Okay, a good way to organize your content if you're going to put a bunch of different things on your website is to have more than one page. Okay, you can insert a new page by going up here to the Pages tab. So when I click Pages, it shows the pages I have already, and obviously my first one is Home. I'm going to click the Add Page button right here, and I'm going to create a new page for my BTT class. Okay, so I teach a BTT 101 class. Maybe I want to put a course outline up there and some other info for the course. Okay, I'm going to click Done. And you'll see that it's created a page right here. Okay, now it's given me a title based on the name of my page automatically. If I want to put a picture right here, I'm going to click on Header Type, and I'll click on Banner, and it gives me the same type of banner that was on my home page originally. Okay, or I can go back to title only, or I can make it a bigger banner. Okay, so again, I can customize this like I did a few minutes ago with my other page. I won't do that right now. And I'm going to go back to Insert. Maybe right here, all I want to do today is to put a course outline up. Well, in my Google Drive folder, I put my course outline, my PDF in there. So I'm going to click from Drive again. Again, that website docs folder that I created. And I'm going to grab that course outline that I have ready to go from the very beginning. I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. And that's it. So I'm going to close this window. And that could be it. Maybe I'll make another page for my other course. I'll click Done. Now I've got a new page. You'll see that Google is pretty smart this time. It saw that I made a new page and that I used this banner right here. And for this course right here, it used the same image right there, or the same banner. Maybe I want to change the way this one looks. So now I have different pages and Home. You'll also see that every time I add a new page, it adds a link to it up here. So this is how the public would get around from one page to the next. Okay, this is your navigation bar up here. You can adjust the way this works. You can put it over here. You can do some other things, but I'm not going to do that in this demo. So you sat here, you've created a really good website. You have all kinds of good stuff ready to go. Maybe as a teacher, you want your web page to be visible to the public. Okay, so you have to publish that to the internet. You do that by clicking on the Publish button right here. Okay, so I'm going to click that Publish button, and it will automatically generate a link based on what the title you've given right here. Okay, I like to keep those pages short. So Warren Demo, and this is already taken. So you see right here, I can't use it. Warren Demo 2017 or something like that. Okay. So this link right here is going to be your public link. Okay. You can always find that later, no problem. But that's going to be how folks will find your web page. Okay. The other option that you have is the anyone at DDSB.ca right here and anyone on the web. If you leave it as a default option right here, then the only people that are going to be able to see your website, even if they have the link, would be people who are logged in to the DDSB network, either logged in using Chrome or on the network. If you want parents to be able to see this site, you have to select anyone on the web. Students only have this option. Okay, so if a student creates a web page, only people from the DDSB network will be able to see it. Okay, so students only have that option, but as teachers, we can click anyone on the web. So I'm going to hit publish. And I'm going to click right here, and I'm going to view published site, and this is what my web page looks like out there in the world. Okay, people would click on the banner right here. They can see my course outline right here. They can click this to get a full view of it if they like, and of course my BBI page, and I didn't really do anything with that yet. Okay. You can just click this link up right here. You can bookmark that if you want to go back to it, or you can copy and paste it and you can email that to your school's webmaster so that they can link your name up to it from the staff web pages site on the main school page if you like. Or you can just give this to students if you want them to check out your website. So that's about it. There's a bunch of other things you can learn as well, but that's basically just how to get up and started. Thank you.